Buddy, gusto mo ba ng spacious, modern single detached house? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Ito nga buddy ang ating pinaka-affordable na single detached house at may minimum lot size ito na 112 square meters. May provision for one carport, may extra lot sa front, side at back for service area at pwede mo itong gamitin for future home expansion. Floor area is 90 square meters. Napaka-spacious ng ating living, dining, kitchen area at may room pa tayo sa ground floor. Total of 3 spacious bedroom, 2 toilet and bath, 1 balcony, taas na floor to ceiling height, at malalaking windows for proper ventilation at pasok na pasok ang natural light sa loob ng gated, secured, exclusive community with complete amenities. At alam mo ba buddy na may townhouse din tayo dito for as low as 8,000 monthly. Located sa boundary ng General Trias at Trece Martires, kapit sa Dasmariñas at Tagaytay, mataas ang location, kaya naman flood-free at presko ang hangin. Accessible din ito to Manila at Alabang dahil malapit rin ito sa Cavite-Laguna Expressway. Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!